USC main campus. So today I will be performing the newborn care. The purpose of this is to provide initial care to the newborn and to reduce mortality. So before we assist labor and delivery, make sure to perform first the proper hand hygiene and double gloving. After done the double gloving, we can now proceed in assisting labor and delivery. Once the baby is delivered, call out the time of birth. Baby out 7:30 a.m. Then proceed to the first step, immediate and thorough drying for at least 30 seconds. Erugitayo dyan ti ulo ni baby, yung gana ijay lower extremities. This is to prevent hypothermia and hypoglycemia. Next, got skin-to-skin contact. Gagawin tayo ni baby iti prone position. This is to promote bonding and to initiate breastfeeding. Then next, got properly timed cord clamping. Tabi tayo ni baby iti supine position. Then, alam tayo G clamp. First clamp cut 2 cm. Then, second clamp cut 5 cm. Then, we need to wait for the pulsation to stop. Then, cut. Then, isubli tayo ni baby iti prone position. Then, numalpas, ag-start tayo ti health teaching kini mother. So, hello ma'am, aday ti maawat ni baby nga talo nga vaccine. Ti umunakot BCG to prevent tuberculosis. Tapos may kadwa kat Hepa B to prevent hepatitis B. Tapos may katlumang kat vitamin K to prevent bleeding. Numalpas adre health teaching kini mother. Irugin tayo ti anthropometric circumference. Na maala dyan kilos ni baby, mag-start tayo nga alaan dyan measurement ni baby. Kasi nga maalat ti measurement ni baby, sarano tayo ti bakuna. Ti umunakot BCG. May saranukot Hepa B. Then last cut, vitamin K. Kenti maudi kat, ikabil tayo dito erythromycin di antibanda ti mata ni baby. check the baby. Then, isubli tayo sunan dyan ayan ni mother.